Welcome. In front of me I have Canon EOS M10, and today I will show you how we can make the firmware update of this device. So the first we have to go for the menu, then tap right here and go for the third position. And at the bottom we can find the firmware version. So here we got the camera and the lens, and as you can see we can easily update the lens of the we can update the firmware of the lens and of the camera by tapping on the set. But of course we have to charge our battery to the 100%. Currently I'm unable to make the update, but it will happen just automatically if you are connected to the Wi-Fi settings. You have to only enter here, and you have to get for 80 or 100% of the battery, the capacity of the battery, and the update will go automatically. And if you don't know how we can connect to the Wi-Fi, here we can find the Wi-Fi settings. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.